Hello everybody and welcome back to another tutorial with Mr. Petrimo. Today we are doing our third tutorial on Relay for monitoring Chromebooks for your classroom. And I have my fake Google Classroom on the screen for you. And our video today is going to be all about how to set web rules and regulate the web through Relay. So right up top here, once you're logged in, you'll see web rules is right here, and you have a drop down. So for the default, it is selected to none or no web rules at all. And that means the internet is wide open to the students as far as Relay is concerned. Now your school block still applies, but you have your own block here under Relay. So right now it's turned to none, so I'm not blocking anything. Now I can change that to no browsing whatsoever. And what that'll do to Trevor TikTok here, he's my fake student account. What that's going to do, if I say no browsing, all right, that is going to stop all browsing completely as long as it's during your classroom time. If you were to go to customize, this is where you have a couple options you can pick from. You can pick from focus mode, which is students only can visit the websites you list. So it blocks everything else except for what you want them to use. This is a popular feature among teachers. So if I have a list of 5 or 6 or even 10 websites that I use regularly, I can copy and paste them right in here to the blocked, under focus mode, to the allowed websites line and hit the save button or apply. And then my students will only be able to go to those websites listed. Now, if I go to the Explore mode, this is where it opens the internet to students except for the specific websites you list here. So for example, if you're having some problems with YouTube during class and you don't use YouTube, you can list it here and it will block YouTube during your class time. You also have an option here to allow full internet access when students change their status to done. Now, what happens is when they're finished with their assignment, they'll have a little option to click on the done button and it will lift this block, basically. I don't particularly use this one very often, but if you were to apply that, then that's how that would work for your custom block. All right, that's about all I have to show you for this time. Nice and short and sweet. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.